Hello, welcome to my house. So I thought I would do a little haul. Ready to go, over 18, woo! Hi everyone and welcome to another vlog. So today we are on our way to Chaiwala. Where are we going, Lisa? Chaiwala, because we're meeting my sisters and my nieces and it's gonna be fun, so let's go. These guys are splashing in some puddles. Lisa, you wanna splash? Splash? Splash, splash? No? Okay then. Come on then, let's go. Issa, you splashing? Splash, splash. Wow. Whoa, that was a big one. So I've come to my sister's house. She's not here yet. She's gone to the shops.
I guess we'll...
Hello, welcome to my house. Shaking, it's your house. Look how cute my sister's hallway is. She's got a new shoe stand and then she's got a lovely little radiator cover which looks lovely.
Hello, hello.
Hello, welcome to my house. Oh hello Issa, you come downstairs. Issa loves his cousin.
Yeah.
Why is it black? Stand up. Stand up. Wow, clever girl. So me and Hanifa have escaped from my sister's house, left a lot of the kids there.
3 out of 4.
3 out of 4. Issa's with us and we are just headed to Primark. I've got a rain cover because it is raining hard and hopefully he'll fall asleep, but I don't know about that.
Wow, is it intense?
Do you like it? Okay, we'll put it up and then when we go outside and it rains on you, then you'll know. But yeah, we're going to Primark. What are you planning to get from Primark?
I need to get some jeans.
Jeans, this girl's losing weight, whoop whoop. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit.
Jump down, get off of it.
How's your shopping going?
Going well.
Going well.
I mean, it depends what you mean by well. It can be buying a bunch of crap, then yes.
As usual.
What about you?
Issa's fallen asleep. It's all good?
Yeah.
Issa's very sensitive because he just woke up from a nap when we got back. So he's just being a little crybaby right now.
Oh my
Aren't you?
God, you're so adorable.
My mum's here. Mum, say hello to my vlog.
Hi.
And we're all just chilling here. Sakina made me a blue coffee, which is called, is it a Luna Latte, Sakina? A Luna Latte, which is from Saints of Mocha from Leicester. They do them.
Can I try yours?
And you can buy the coffee online. Is it on Instagram? This is what it looks like. So I thought I would do a little haul of what I bought from Primark. The main reason I went is to find more of these. This is a peplum top and it's long sleeve, so it's perfect to wear with anything, trousers, skirts, anything like that. And I got a baby pink one. Those are £6. I picked up this, which is like a denim black dress, and it kind of goes down to about your knees. It's got these fluffy sleeves, and it's very heavy denim. This was reduced from £15 to £7, so I picked that up. I picked up this black top which has got those bell kind of sleeves. It's got cuffed kind of sleeves at the bottom so that it's not like hanging over your arms, and it's like it's a good length to wear with skirts, and I think I'll wear this a lot. This was £6 too. It's also a very interesting texture. I got some little joggers for Easter. These were £3.50, and then I got myself a plain black zip-up hoodie just to wear in it when I go out, just if I need something to throw on really quickly. I picked up some hairbands and clips for Elisa's hair. I got a Nourish and Invigorating Cream Mask which was reduced to 50p. It's an olive one. Interesting. Also got 2 little bath fizzers and a bath bomb, £1. Those are 50p. And I got these little short things to wear under like skirts and stuff, just so I've got like a layer on. But that is everything that I got. So guys, it's the next day now. We have a toy. She's a little doll. Look at her. And she laughs. She laughs. She laughs. But we have emptied all of these toy boxes out from the other room, and we are about to sort all of these out right now because it's just getting a bit out of control up in here. So this is what we're doing this morning. Elisa, what are you going to do? You're going to get rid of some toys?
And get a new one.
If she wants a new toy, she has to get rid of lots of toys first. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to sort out all of this and try and get rid of some. Wish us luck. So most of that is all done. There's just toys that I need to take upstairs and put on the shelves upstairs. But other than that, it feels a lot more organised and I can actually breathe about the toys right now. So yay, we got rid of like half a basket full of toys. So Elisa is going to choose a new toy, aren't you? Are you going to choose a new toy?
Let's go to the toy section.
Okay, we'll go next time we go, okay? But yeah, now we are just gonna chill for a little bit. I need to put some washing out and that kind of thing. But later I'm going to a birthday meal at Fargo's without the kids, which is gonna be really nice. It is my nephew. I like to call him my nephew. He's like related to me very weirdly, but he is 18 years old. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen later. Yes, baby? Anyway, we are gonna go carry on with our day. I'm gonna make some lunch in a minute. Don't know what we're gonna have. I'm hungry though. It's nearly 1:30 already. Oh my gosh, time flies. No, it's 12:30, not 1:30. Anyway, yeah, so I'm hungry. So I have literally just been on the go all day. I've had a shower, forgot to vlog. But the kids are having their dinner. They're having some scrambled eggs, some waffles and some fish fingers. And I'm gonna make them a smoothie in a minute once they've eaten a bit. Don't stand on there, baby. Don't stand on there, you're gonna break it. I've been cleaning this room. Isa's having his dinner on the sofa, and I just cleaned the porch as well because it was a state. So that's what I've been doing. I need to wipe down the floor a little bit because it's kind of gross. It's got some yogurt and stuff on it, so I'm gonna wipe down some spots, vacuum the rug and all that kind of thing. So guys, I am now ready to go. I'm in the car. It is boiling in here, oh my god. So I'm just taking my coat off. And then I'm headed to go pick David up. And then I'm going to go to Fargo's. My scarf style is very different today. I kind of like it. But yeah, first time driving in heels. Like, they're not massive heels or anything, but I never ever drive in heels. So this is going to be fun. Let's go. My food just came. Look what I got. I got a lamb steak. Oh my god, it looks so good. Maya got a smoky bird burger with fries. Wahid got a chili burger. Burrito. What did you get?
Chicken sticks.
This is Zainadine, and he is 18 today. Yesterday, sorry. My bad. I like your hat. Where did you get it from? How's it going, David?
It's all right, I can't see
Imran! He's over 18. Woo! Yeah? Khalid's here, Sakina's here. I normally don't get anybody in my vlogs because I'm so in the moment and I just don't ever film anybody. But today,
This my outfit of the day.
I know, he was dressed as Kylo Ren and I didn't take a video of it. I did take it, you were in it, but you were covering your face.
Yeah, because I didn't have a mask on.
Well, why didn't you get your mask when I was filming? How's it going, Zach? Did your outfit come yet?
No, they just came to see you.
Oh. Sakina's outfit didn't even come. So she was supposed to be Wonder Woman, but she ended up being Mario.
Mine's came.
Maya's came. Yeah, she had to improvise. I like her improvisation though. Kitty Pride. Good. Can't even see you. Have you got that on so I can't see your face? How's it going, boys?
Alhamdulillah.
These boys are the funniest boys in the world. I love them.
YouTube.
Yeah. Where is he gone?
Can't see me.
By the way, the best cats ever are Banjo, Auntie Sarah's cat, and Bongo, this cat that comes to me sometimes to my house. And I think the best cat is Buffy Boo. And we have lots of cats in our family, a lot. And they're all lovely and cute. Yeah, that's so
How was your food, guys? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
And are you excited to go back to school? How are you feeling about going back to school?
Kind of nervous. I'm a bit nervous
Yeah.
because I haven't been in ages. I've just been getting.
Are you more excited or more nervous?
I'm more excited.
Excited
Excited to
to see your friends.
Yeah. And it has to be bad because I like school.
And Elisa's going to be going to the same school as you guys.
Yeah,
too.
it's gonna be really exciting.
Do you think you'll see her much?
Might see her quite a bit because her building is in the same. Wait, no. Well, I might, depending on like the playtime times and lunchtime times and stuff. Yeah.
Okay. Well, yeah, we'll find out when we start.
If I eat my lunch super duper quickly, I might be able to just quickly see her. By the way, my name on TikTok is It's Muse, the same as my YouTube.
Do you want everybody to follow you?
I don't mind, like, or they can check my
Check your
like
posts out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you don't have to follow.
Do you want to tell them a little bit about what your TikTok account is about? What do you do on that?
Well, my TikTok account, like this app called SafsLife, I do stuff like that sometimes, and then so like if I go out sometimes, I also like do the food I'm eating. Sometimes I'm gonna start doing that.
Did you do one today?
Yeah. Well, I haven't like put it up yet because there was no internet connection. So
What are we about to do right now?
we'll go to like my house,
And what are we gonna do?
eat cake.
Yes! By our amazing cake maker, Zahrahcakes. We're the first ones here.
I think we are, yeah. We're the first ones.
We just parked up outside of these guys' houses and nobody else is here yet. So we're just waiting for them and then we're gonna eat cake. Why is this listening to me? It's so annoying.
Turn off Siri.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
No.
No.
Okay.
Okay. But anyway, we are going to go in and have some cake, and I can't wait.
She sneezed.
What did you just do?
I didn't lick the cake. I don't know what you're talking about.
Being so annoying.
What's going on?
See, it's eating my hair and putting that cat ear on my head constantly and being really annoying and trying to lick me.
Maya, go sit on that corner, please.
The naughty corner.
In the naughty corner. That's the annoying corner.
Beautiful mug.
Play the number game.
What's the number game?
1.
2.
You gotta get up to 20 without repeating it.
4. 5.
6.
7.
Oh! 1,
2.
3,
4.
5,
6.
7.
Dum